Hey guys, so we me and one of the neighbors, are sending messages back and forth. This will be our third attempt. The first attempt worked perfectly. The second was a fail. We are trying it again. I wish we would have gotten the first one on video. It was so great. And yes, so this is we are doing it by dog, if you couldn't see. So yeah, so I'm going to go up, try to send him over, and see if we can get him to go back and forth without taking a break. Hopefully with this break it will help him go without me. I did have to go over and get him once. See, my friend is over there. I don't know if you can see her, but yeah, she's over there. But yeah, I do not recommend doing this without permission or without watching, because there is a road right here and it could be dangerous because he or one of us could get hit by a car. But I have been watching, making sure there is no cars nearby. I can see pretty far, far enough to see if I will have to not let him go or not, or see if I have to run and get him. So yeah. Come on, Fluffy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Ready? 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 Sit. Go. Go, 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 go. Go, Fiends, go. And of course, didn't work very well. Okay, he's gonna go the rest of the way now. Yes, we did it. Okay. Now she's gonna get the note. Also, she gave him a little reward. She's gonna read it and then write something back without losing him. She lost him. Well, it worked, but he's on his way back to me. Fix! Ah! Fix! Fix! Ah! Come here. Fix! Come here. That's the first time. Come on! Come on, Finn! Come on. That could have gone better.